What up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I don't know if you guys watched it. There's a lot of you that are new here, but one of my old videos I was flying the Mobula 7 in Echo Lake Park, and there's some abandoned incinerators here. Well, that's where I'm at now. These are abandoned incinerators. This is gonna be fun, guys. Today I brought my my DJI goggles and my camera. It's got the Cadex Vista in it, and we're going to be checking out some goggle footage for the first time with my DJI goggles and the camera at the incinerator. Probably going to call this one Incineration. So here we go. Check this place out, guys. I'm going to definitely dive those incinerator stacks. See those big things? Definitely going to dive those. So enough talk, let's get with it. Here, let's rip this place. Check out this footage. Drop a like if you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Alright guys, that definitely didn't go as planned, but I figured I'd post the video anyway. So I probably tore up that battery. It's been flattened. It looks like it's been punctured, so the battery's probably no good. I also, you guys seen the crashes, right? So the first crash was because I fail-safed because there was too much stuff. I thought the DJI and the Cadex was going to be able to penetrate more, but when I got on the other side of that incinerator, there just wasn't enough signal and it fail-safed. I still had video, but the controller, I lost signal. It fell out of the sky because it fail-safed. And then the second time I crashed was because of a bad decision, just bad flying. I came in wrong, and so I tried to turn around, and then I bounced off the silos. You guys seen it, tore the end of my crossfire antenna off, smashed my battery. I think I've got 2 broken arms. Yeah, there's one broken arm right there. And then there's the other broken arm right there. So it don't matter anyway. The only way to fix this is to replace the whole bottom plate. But yeah, I think everything else is still good. I'll have to have a new bottom plate and a new motor and repair it. So probably won't be able to fly that one for a while. Enough of me rambling. That's gonna end the video. I know it wasn't too good, but I figured I'd post it anyway just to show you guys even the bad with the good. So I'll definitely be back here, and I'm definitely going to keep practicing. And thank you for all the support, and welcome to the channel for all the new subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. See you next time, guys.